This is a Washita Oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. The specific gravity of this stone, as calculated via submersion method, is 2.3076. It is 8 1/8 of an inch long, 1 31/32 of an inch wide, and its variable thickness. The thicker end is 1 1/8. The middle is 1 3/32, and the short end is 1 1/32. The working surface is lapped to a DMT level, DMT diaphragm level, chamfered, and the bottom as well has been lapped. I wouldn't use the bottom at present for knives, this, as there is one little inclusion right there that would snag a knife, so I would keep the bottom of the chisels or planes for now until it's a very shallow chamfer, but I would keep it for that for now. But the top doesn't have anything like that. Washita.